Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can crop an image or photo on Figma into a shape like a circle, for example, or a rectangle, or in any other shape you like. So let us guide you through this step by step. It is actually no rocket science, guys. So head over to your design on Figma and add a photo or image to your design. So let me go with that photo here for demonstration purposes. So what you want to do, guys, is add your shape to your design too. To do that, head over to that customization tab here at the bottom and select the shape tool. And from that drop-down menu here, by clicking on that arrow down, I can select your preferred shape, like a rectangle, polygon, star, or an ellipse or circle. So let me go with a circle. You may also use the shortcut O for that. And after that, left click and drag your left mouse to draw a circle. If you press and hold left shift, you may stabilize your circle and make it a perfect circle like this. Release your left mouse just like that, and as you can see, your circle or shape here to the left in the layer section has been added. So what you want to do the next step, guys, is move the given shape, in this case here the circle, over the given image or photo. So make sure that's selected, and after that simply move it here to over your image or photo by releasing the left mouse. Let me also resize it really quickly by clicking and dragging on one of these edges and press left shift to stabilize and to keep your circle stabilized and clean and perfect, just like that. So now it covers almost the entire image or photo. So what you want to do after that, guys, is make sure that the shape is at the very back of your layers. So you want to send it to the back. To do that, select it with your left mouse, right click, and after that select or click into send to back here, or use that shortcut here, and that is going to move the given shape to the back. You may also use or navigate or move these layers here on the left side here on that list of layers. So simply left click on the given element and move it to the back. So in this case here at the lowest position here. So what you want to do after that, guys, is make sure that all of your elements are selected. In this case here, your shape, which is already selected, press left control and left click into your image, just like that, so that both are selected. And last but not least, guys, right click into your selected elements on one of these, right click and select this option here, use as mask, or use the shortcut Ctrl Alt M on your keyboard. That is going to merge both elements or components into a mask. As you can see here on the list of layers to the left, this is now a mask group containing your image as well as your shape. So as you can see, the image or photo has been cropped to a circle or to any other shape you like. And now you may simply left click onto it and, for example, move that circle to adjust its position, or select both just like that, and after that simply move them here on your canvas. Or last but not least, guys, you may also select your shape here to the left and, for example, resize it just like, or rotate it if you like, if it's not a circle. Resize it, for example, or press the left shift on your keyboard to make it smaller, and let me just crop that building or house here just like that and leave the rest behind. So that's basically it, guys. Now you may, for example, use that cropped image or photo for your designs and projects, and that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.